Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Sorry because I have lost my voice because of the cold weather. But today I really wanted to make this video to share a very good news for the family here. You know, after 2 years of waiting, 2 years of hoping, finally we've got an answer to relocate to a new neighborhood. So I'm very happy for that, and I'll take this opportunity to show you the different hard working we are doing here. So we are going to move. What I will have to do is to change everything. I have to renew it. I have to remove the wallpapers. This one. It's me who made this. It's me who put this. I have to remove everything because the thing is, yeah, the thing is, in order for them to give us the new apartment, I have to renew this one. It breaks my heart to do this because I really put a lot of effort to put this wallpaper. One of the mistakes I made is to put wallpaper. Wallpaper is not easy to remove at all. You see, and the problem is it come out with this because this is not concrete. It's not concrete. What a big mistake I made. I won't do this anymore. In my new apartment, I won't add wallpaper. I will just do painting. Oh my God. This is me who made all of this. I didn't know wallpaper are difficult to remove like this. And the problem is, I've added a lot of glue. And now you see, I'm really struggling to remove this. And I will have to cover this. We'll have to cover all of this. Look at him. You, come and help me. He's helping me. Oh my God. It's a lot of work here. I have to repair. You see, normally it's broken. I have to repair it. This one I have to repair. Oh, la. There are a lot of things I will have to repair here. You see, I don't know why it's like this, but there was wallpaper here all over. I have removed it. Oh my God, it's gonna be a lot of work. Don't know how I'm gonna do this. And the problem with wallpaper, if you remove them, you see, there are some remaining parts of it. I really don't know how I'm going to remove this little remaining part of the wallpaper. I have an idea. I'm coming. Okay, so here is the idea I've got. This is water. I've added water here, and I will take this sponge to see if it's going to work. Maybe it will work or not. I don't know. Actually, if you are living in an apartment that is not yours, it's better to just not add wallpaper because think of the day you're going to leave the apartment. You'll have to remove everything, and it's a lot of work. Personally, I didn't imagine it will be like this. I thought it's gonna be easy to remove, but look, I've removed it. I have finished all of these parts. You see, I need to cover the holes and do the painting. Wallpaper is really a bad idea. This I will sell it. The table also I will sell it. Chairs I will keep them. This small bureau, this is my little office. I think I will sell it because in my new apartment I really want to do new things. But let me continue the hard work. Let me continue the hard work. Tiens. Allez, à toi. À toi, tu vas enlever ça. Tiens. Bravo. Very good. Tiens. Very good. Wow, look how it's beautiful outside. I really have a very beautiful view from outside, which is one of the advantages of this apartment. Look. Oh, wow. Okay, thank you for watching this one. I will see you in the coming video. Make sure you subscribe for more adventure around France and beyond. Goodbye.